Hello and welcome back to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. Today I'm back with an inside tunnel card. I used measurements from Jennifer Maguire and used a brand new digital stamp set called Wild Jungle and designed by Isabel Christina Stamps. To begin, I took a 8.5 by 11 inches cardstock that I cut in half to create two panels measuring 4.25 by 11 inches. I scored one part at 5.5 and folded it. And I also cut half an inch from one end. I scored the second part at half an inch, 5.5 and 6 inches, and folded the lines. I cut a 5.5 by 4.25 inches panel and trimmed it a teeny tiny bit to get a slightly smaller panel. I scored at 1/4 of an inch from both ends, folded the lines and created a second identical panel. I took the long panel, placed the tab at the top and I cut a circle to create a window. Next, I placed one of the smaller panels behind the window, aligned them according to the score lines, and cut a circle out of the panel to create a window smaller than the first one. I used this new window panel as a guide to cut a smaller circle out of the second panel. Next, I worked on the long panel. I didn't want it to be plain, so I applied Modlon Distress ink on top of it. And I tried to keep a light hand around the circle so it wouldn't be dark green everywhere. For more interest and details, I splattered the same ink on the edges and corners of the panel. And because I think that green and gold are pretty nice together, I added gold splatters on the panel. Next, I covered the middle panel with a flower pattern paper. I simply cut the same circle out of this paper and glued it on the green window panel. And I did the same thing on the second window panel using a leaf pattern paper. I could have used directly those pattern papers as the window panels, but they're pretty thin papers, so gluing them on the green panels made them more sturdy. As a background, I simply applied a tumble glass oxide ink on a piece of Bristol cardstock and splattered water on top of it. Next, I assembled the tunnel. The tumble glass panel was attached inside the long panel. Next, I placed the leaf panel on top of the tumble glass panel and I folded the long panel to adhere it. For the flower panel, I first trimmed the tab a little bit and I attached it right next to the leaf panel. I took the very first panel I cut at the beginning of the video and applied tape inside on one side. It's the side that misses half an inch. And I attached the back of the tunnel on that side. Next, I attached the second tabs on both of the window panels. And closed the tunnel by adhering the top tab. For the front of the card, I cut my sentiment using a circle die, painted the edges using the same gold paint as before, and attached it on a bigger leaf circle. The images were printed on Nina Solar White cardstock using my Epson printer and colored using my Spectrum Noir markers as always. To save time, I die cut and colored off camera some tropical leaves and flowers and started to assemble everything using 3mm glue dots. Don't mind this cute toucan, I moved him to the front panel because I needed more space for the other critters. And this is the final result. I added gold sequins outside and inside to match the gold paint and applied clear shimmer to the butterflies. I hope you like these colorful tropical cards. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye!